Welcome to the world of industrial processes. Every steel product begins its journey deep within the earth.
Countries like Australia, Brazil, and India hold the world's richest iron reserves.
Powerful machines extract iron ore formed millions of years ago.
This rock contains the foundation of modern civilization.
Are these measurements correct for the upper truss?
Let me check the revision. Yes, we need to move this section 5 inches west.
Timing is everything in steel.
Timing is everything in steel.
The real transformation begins here. Every batch is inspected. Advanced machines analyze purity. Only approved material continues.
Welcome everyone. As we begin the modernization project, remember that safety remains our top priority. Please review the updated protocols on your tablets.
Temperatures exceed 1,500 degrees. Iron turns liquid. Now it moves to refinement. These slabs are the foundation of all steel products.
Each slab is cut to exact dimensions.
Massive rollers flatten the steel. Accuracy down to microns. This steel meets global standards.
The quality check is complete. Everything is within tolerance.
Excellent work. Let's keep the line moving smoothly. Some steel protects lives. Steel supports renewable energy. Industry is built on steel. Speed meets precision. Quality is checked one last time. Steel travels worldwide. Cities are built with steel. Steel is endlessly recyclable. Millions depend on steel. From rock to revolution. Power and precision. Innovation never stops. The future of steel. This is how raw iron becomes billion-dollar products. Every spark represents power, effort, and precision.
This meets all the quality standards, right?
Yes, the surface integrity is excellent. Good to go.
Supplying industries across the world. Steel never truly reaches an end.
Sustainability drives modern steel production.
Automation increases efficiency and safety. Data now guides every decision. The future of steel is smarter and cleaner. An industry that never sleeps. From nature to engineering. Welcome to the world of industrial processes. Subscribe for more factory journeys. Next, another incredible manufacturing story. This is how raw iron becomes billion-dollar products.